Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that PayPal comes out with its own stablecoin PYUSD. But there are some interesting things about it, what we definitely should discuss. Then we have Binance new audit coming out, which first shows that actually all the customer funds are covered on Binance, but also shows that Binance sold USDC for BTC and ETH after Silvergate Bank collapse. And the third news is all about Central Bank of Brazil reveals the name of their stablecoin. Sorry, not stablecoin, CBDC. And another country which going to come out pretty soon with their CBDC. So guys, all this in today's video, and don't forget, every single day I'm making you a couple of fresh videos to keep you up to date, which are related to crypto, blockchain, economy. So simply subscribe button all, and that case you're going to get the notifications as soon as a new video is out. Also, if you like this kind of content, what I'm creating every single day, short videos, longer videos, then simply hit the like button. And now let's start. Okay, when we're looking at the market, it hasn't changed too much since yesterday. So sideways movements going on. It can't go on forever. Guys, it can't go on forever. The volatility for Bitcoin is extremely low. It has never been as low as it's now. But now still sideways. So Bitcoin went up slightly, 0.6%. Ethereum slightly down. So Bitcoin price 29,269. While Ethereum price 1,831 US dollar. The top gainer of the last 24 hours, the top 100 is Algorand with 5%. Bit more, Hedera 3%, and Multiverse X 2.5%. The biggest loser, Rocket Pool with 6% down, GMX 5%, Pepe down 4%. When we're looking at here the candlestick chart, we are still in this bull flag, and as we went down here, now we're moving towards this trend line, which if we break, and then we break this 29,800-ish level and close above it, would be definitely a bullish sign. But we're going to see how it plays out. Sooner or later, a move coming towards the upside or the downside, because we're just going sideways for such a long time and the volatility is extremely low. Okay, now first topic. The first topic is all about PayPal, which launches its new stablecoin, PYUSD. And yeah, let's talk about that. So here we go. We have PayPal launches PYUSD stablecoin for payment. So the US dollar PAX stablecoin will be issued by Paxos. The Paxos, which used to issue BUSD, but not doing it anymore. I'm going to talk about that in a second. It's fully backed by US dollar deposits, short-term treasuries, and similarly cash equivalents. It's built on Ethereum and designed for digital payments and Web3, with the firm saying it will soon be available to United States customers. And they're saying it's designed to be compatible with most widely used exchanges, Web3 apps, wallets. And, PayPal boasts over 350 million active users worldwide, and already entered into crypto back in 2020 in the fourth quarter, if I remember well. And actually that was back then massive, and now they're coming out with their stablecoin, which is built on Ethereum. And this, it's also very important, because if institutions going to build their thing on Ethereum, that will make Ethereum actually bigger and bigger. And as you can see now, PayPal's stablecoin is built on that. However, very important to point out that it's a centralized thing, and this is circulating on X or Twitter or whatever you're saying now. It's hard to get used to X. so fast. So PayPal has been known to randomly freeze accounts and hold people's money hostage. It's all over the internet. So their newly launched PayPal USD stablecoin actually features a built-in asset protection functioning which can erase your balance in 2 transactions, first freeze and then wipe frozen address. And actually, I'm not a IT guy, but actually shows here in the code. So guys, don't forget, if you have this, it's just not Bitcoin. It's not the same. And also interesting things, back to Paxos, that, PayPal poses stablecoin work aimed crypto regulatory scrutiny back in February this year. And then on the 10th of February and 13th of February, Paxos ordered to stop minting Binance stablecoin because the SEC said so. And now we have PayPal launching a stablecoin issued by Paxos. So, I don't know. That also sounds interesting. And just be aware of it that, PayPal stablecoin launch sparks a wave of fake PYUSD tokens. Nearly 30 fake PYUSD tokens cropped up in the wake of PayPal's most recent announcement. So there are a lot of fake ones. Be aware of that as well. So in one way, it's good because, making Ethereum use case bigger and bigger with this. But on the other hand, it's just not the same. And sooner or later, I think the authorities, SEC, coming after stablecoins as well. I don't know how, USDT it's a big thing. They want their own stuff. So we're going to see how this PayPal stablecoin going to work in the future. Yes. Right. The second thing I would like to discuss is that Binance came out with its freshest audit. It looks okay. That it shows that, the client's crypto and funds are covered. But another thing is pointed out that Binance actually sold USDC for BTC ETH after Silvergate Bank collapsed. Okay, so let's share the screen and yeah. So first of all, we have crypto exchange. Binance released its latest Pro of Reserve on the 1st of August, offering transparency into crypto reserves. The latest reserve audit suggests that Binance holds more than enough crypto and cash to cover users' funds. The ratio of Binance net balance to its customers' net balance is more than 100% for all its assets, as shown in the snapshot below. And yeah, another thing, why the report presents the healthy finance situation for Binance, its USDC reserve movements post Silvergate collapse and the DPEG of the stablecoin were the main topics of discussion. So the POR shows that Binance USDC balance decreased from 3.4 billion in March 1st to 23.9 million by the 1st of May, so quite significantly. On-chain data suggests that right after Silvergate collapse on March 12, Binance started to converting USDC reserve into Bitcoin and Ether. Twitter on-chain analyst Alexander Yakovich noted that Binance purchased approximately 100,000 Bitcoin and 550,000 ETH between March 12 and 1st of May, totally around 3.5 billion US dollar, the same amount as the surplus of USDC it had. Well, that's also interesting. So maybe this is how things happen, but overall, bottom line is that customers' funds are covered, according to the latest audit, at least. Okay, and now we have another country, Brazil, launching the name or reveals the name of their CBDC. Okay, so here is another country, and this is Brazil, and Brazil's central bank reveals the name of its CBDC. It is TREX, you know, whatever you call it. This will be the official name, Brazil's new central bank digital currency, also known as digital real. And, you know, the letter stands for D, stands for digital, R to real, E for electronic, and X for transaction. And the digital real project will rely on authorized entities to mint the CBDC, which will be recorded with distributed ledger technology, kind of similar to blockchain. From there, DREX will begin to support operations such as buying and selling public treasury bonds, transactions that will take place quickly on the surface and be supported by Web3 infrastructure for burning, creating, and registering tokens. So with the digital real, people can make a loan more easily or have more accessible investment options or easier insurance. This is what they said. That is, we want to bring, they're saying that that is what we want to bring these financial products into people's hand and increase banking in Brazil. So when you read between the lines, again, how to make things easier for people, and this is always the trap when it comes to CBDC. It's a centralized, you know, programmable money. They do whatever they want to do with it. Therefore, at the beginning, if it makes it, you know, easy to use and there are some discounts and all these kind of things, people are going to shift towards CBDCs, moving towards cashless society. And then at the end of the day, when there will be just CBDCs, I don't know how many years time, no idea, then there will be full control of it. So just, you know, always be aware of this. I just recently talked about digital ruble. The logo is out, and they have already talked about the transaction fees, which will be actually free until the end of 2024. But after then, it's not anymore. So again, make it easy at the beginning. You get used to it, and then you're going to see what is really behind it. That's it for today. Guys, don't forget, every single day, I'm making you fresh videos related to crypto, blockchain, economy, and all these kind of things. So if you're interested in this, subscribe button all. You will get every single day a couple of short videos. So the most important news just in 60 seconds. But you have these longer videos just like this one between Monday and Friday. Where I can get into the details even more. If you like this kind of content, definitely hit the like button. Highly appreciated. It also helps the you know, algorithm, YouTube algorithm, and make the video more popular. And see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye bye.